Yes, Habibur. What I said today I'm planning to revise the full lesson. Which lesson? Social study lesson. The lesson name is the oceans. I taught you very well. I show you so many pictures also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So
Yes.
my first question for you. Okay, Habibur, can you tell me the spelling of oceans? Habibur?
OCENRS.
No, 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 no. Again.
Oceans.
No, Habibur, it's not correct. Again, tell me. Again, try.
OCE.
OCE, then
OCEN.
no. Okay.
Ocean.
Habibur, wait. I will ask to the Samia. Samia, make you unmute. Samia, my dear, make you unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me one thing. Whatever Habibur said is the correct answer, correct spelling. Just tell me yes or no. It's the correct spelling. Whatever she
No.
said. No. Then tell me what is the correct one. What is the spelling of oceans, my dear?
OCEANS.
Very
Ocean.
good, very good. Habibur, now tell me what Samia said. What is the spelling of oceans? In that way, you can find out where you have the mistake. Okay, my dear, tell me. Tell me again, Habibur.
OCEANN.
Excellent, Habibur. Excellent. OCEANS. What time you spell the ocean spelling, you miss the A. That's why I asked to Samia. See, this is called the cross checking. Whatever you said, I didn't correct you. Your friend only correct you. In that way, you can know wherever you have the mistakes, wherever you have the problems. Okay? Very good. Samia and Habibur make you mute. Now, my questions for, you know, I want to ask you, Abdullah Misbah, can you hear me? Abdullah Misbah, can you hear me? No, actually, he have some problem in the volume. His father tell me that's why always I'm calling her name. Okay, Azra, make you unmute, my dear Azra. Make you unmute. All of you listen to the Azra. If Azra said the wrong answer, I will ask to you. I will not make you the correct. You have to find out where is the mistake. So, what time I will ask to any students, all are be careful. Listen to her, yeah, his. Okay. Now, Azra, can you tell me the spelling of equal? Equal.
EQUEL.
One more time, my dear.
Equal.
One more time, spell.
EQUEL. Equal.
You said EQUEL, right? You said EL, no?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Wait. I will ask to the Najmul. Najmul, make you unmute. Tell me, Najmul, whatever Azra said, is the correct answer.
No.
Yes. So where she did the mistake? Azra, listen to Najmul. Where she did the mistake, Najmul? You just spell the full word.
EQUAL. Equal.
Okay, very good. Azra, now you know where you did the mistake. Azra? Azra, still not? Okay, I will explain. I ask you the spelling of equal. You said EQUEL. EL. You said EL. But Najmul said it's the wrong. Then Najmul what said? Najmul said EQUAL. Because you said EL, but Najmul said AL. AL is the correct answer. Okay, Azra? Just Azra, let me know. Check your notebook. Maybe you wrote the wrong only. Check you wrote EL, yeah, AL. Everybody check your notebook, okay? Maybe Azra wrote wrong. Azra, what you wrote in your notebook, my dear? Is the EL, yeah, AL. What you wrote? Azra, do fast, my dear. AL is the AL. Okay.
Yes.
Now, students, you know how to find out the mistakes. See, you are doing. I'm just talking, but you are behaved like a teacher. What one I asked to one student, he said, and other one make him and her to correct. So in that way, it's good for you. Okay, Mahamud, sit properly. You are in the classroom. Yes, my dear. Okay, Azra, make you mute, Azra. Now my next question for Abdul Aziz. Abdul, make you unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Abdul, tell me what is the spelling of surface? Surface.
Huh? I can't hear.
No, you can. Don't say lie, my dear. I ask you, tell me the spelling of surface. I taught you what is the surface. The outer layer of the earth is called the surface. Just tell me the spelling.
Surface.
Yes. Tell me
Surface.
Yes, my dear. Surface.
SURFACE. Surface.
Okay, wait. Now, Kazi, make you unmute. Kazi, tell me. I asked to Abdul Aziz the spelling of surface. Whatever Abdul said is the correct answer. You're wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong. Then tell me what is the spelling of surface. Please spell the spelling of surface. Don't see. Don't see, my dear. Tell me the spelling of surface. Okay, Kazi, wait. I will ask to the Talha. Yes, Talha. Make you unmute, Talha. Kazi, wait, I will ask you. Talha, whatever Abdul Aziz said, the spelling of surface is the correct answer.
No.
Why you said no? So then tell me what is the right answer? Tell me the spelling of surface.
S-U-S, no, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, face, surface.
So Abdul only said the same thing. Abdul said correct one. Why you said no? And one more thing, whatever Talha spell, I taught like this. Talha, I'm very happy you are following my words. I said, what time you are going to spell any big word, you have to break it. Like just now, Talha said, sir, face. How he spelled? He said S-U-R, sir. Then he said a space. I'm very happy, Talha. Every student, please follow the same thing. Then you will not make the any kind of mistakes. Always your all word you have to write the correct one. If you will follow, Mahmoud, go to the washroom and wash your eyes. You are very sleepy. I don't like any students in front of me do like this, like this. I don't like actually. Go wash your eyes. Go wash your eyes. Put cold water in your eyes. Then you can concentrate. Okay, very good. Now, okay, Tala, make you mute. Make you mute. Now, my next question for, Fuad. Yes, Fuad, make you unmute. Just tell me the spelling of depth. Depth means I taught you. If it is a bottle, see, only this much water here. So, very little, no? So, it don't have any depth. Depth means inside. How much inside have? Okay. Now, spell the spelling of depth. D-E-P-T-H. Deep. Spelling the.
I can tell the wrong.
Okay. What again? Fuad, again one time, please, dear. Spell the word. D-E-P-T-H. Deep. Who said wrong? Who said wrong? Abdul Aziz. Who said wrong? Abdul Aziz. Your turn gone already. I asked you again. Now I want to ask the other students. I want to ask the Mahir. Yes, Mahir. My dear Mahir, make you unmute. Mahir, make you unmute. Yes, Mahir. Whatever Fuad said is the wrong answer or correct answer. Where are you?
you are not concentrated in the class. I understood. What I asked to Fuad, first tell me, what is my question for Fuad? What I asked him? Tell me. See, I find out, no, you are not concentrated to the class. Hmm? Okay, Mariam, tell me what I asked to Fuad. What is the spelling I asked to Fuad? Mariam said, death. Very good, death. Now, Mahir, tell me what is the spelling of death? Mahir, make you unmute. Mahir, make you. Yes, what is the spelling of death? Tell me the spelling of death. No, Mahir, it's wrong. It's wrong. You are not concentrated. Mahir, stand up. Mahir, stand up. Mahir, I say stand up. Sorry, Vidya, what you say? Mahir, I will suggest you just 1 minute stand up because you are very sleepy. Then I will give you chance to sleep. Then again I will come to you. Now you listen to the others. Okay, because you are very sleepy. Morning somebody is like that. That's why I'm telling always get up at least 7:30. Then you can concentrate. Okay. Sanuki, my dear, tell me whatever Fuad said, the spelling of death is the correct answer.
No.
Then tell me what is the spelling of death.
DEPTH.
He said only that, no? He said only that. Yes or no, Fuad?
Yes.
He also said the same. It means Sanuki also correct, Fuad also correct. Very good. Make you mute. Sanuki and Fuad make you mute. Now my question for, I'm going to ask to Safkat. Yes, Safkat. Safkat, whatever I will ask you, give me the answer little louder. Okay, my dear? Okay. Now I'm going to ask the fill in the blanks. Okay, Safkat, for you, my question is oceans. Sorry, not fill in the blanks. I'm going to ask the true and false. Oceans are the first body of salt water. Is the correct answer? You're wrong. Safkat, tell me. Again, say. Safkat, I don't understand. Is the correct answer true or false?
Correct.
Very good, Safkat. Is the Safkat? Whatever you say, na. True, correct. In that way, please always talk to me. Very nice sound, come clear and bold. Always talk like this, okay, beta? Now, make you unmute. Now, my question for, I'm going to ask Mahmoud. Where is Mahmoud? Mahmoud, tell me, there are 6 oceans on the earth. Is that correct? True or false?
False.
Very good. Now, Mahir. Mahir, my dear, make you unmute. Make you unmute, Mahir. Can you hear me, Mahir? Mahir, can you hear me? Mahir, can you hear me? Make you yeah. I am going to ask you true and false. Okay, just listen to me. The depth of oceans is not equal in all places. Is it true or false? Again, I'm going to repeat. The depth of ocean is not equal in the all places. Is it true or false, Mahir? Mahir, is that true or false? I cannot hear you, Mahir. Very good, true. Yes, now sit down. Mahir, sit down. Sit in your place, Mahir. Sit in your place. Yeah. Now, Jamie, make you unmute. Make you unmute.
Yes.
Okay, my question for you. Now, I'm going to ask you fill in the blanks. Okay, see, I took all the photocopies. Okay. For you, my questions. 1 second. Oh my God, it is not here. I took from other subject. Okay, from the what I'm teaching now, the oceans. Okay, There are dash oceans on the earth. Can you tell me, Jamie, what is the answer? In the blanks, what you have to put?
Space bodies or water.
No, no, no. There are dash oceans. How many oceans on the earth? 5, right? Okay, 5. Now, Kazi, I asked to Jamie how many oceans on the earth. What she said? Can you tell me what she said? Kazi, I want your answer. What she said? Which number she said? You are not concentrating in my class. That's why I come to you. Kazi, it's very wrong. You are a good boy and good students. I know you are very good. Don't do like this again. I will come to you. Concentrate to your class. Okay. Now, Abdullah Misbah, can you hear me? Abdullah Misbah, can you hear me? No. Okay. Now, Shamrin, Sharmin. Yes. My question for you. Tell me the name of the largest oceans on the earth.
True or false or dash?
Question answer. Tell me the name. I ask you the name. The largest ocean on the earth. Which one?
Largest oceans on the earth.
I know this question not in your book. You cannot get. But I taught you. What time I took the class, I said yes and no. Yes and no?
Yes.
Yes. I explain. I show you some slideshow also. Largest ocean. Largest ocean on the earth. What is the name? I will give you some clue. It started with the alphabet of P. Starting with the P. Tell me.
Water. Water.
No. Who know the answer? Raise your hand. Who knows? Okay, Najmul, tell me. Najmul, make you unmute. Listen. Shamrin, listen to the Najmul. Tell me, Najmul, what is the name of the largest oceans on the earth?
Pacific Ocean.
Shimran, what he said, what Najmul said. Shimran, I'm asking what he said. What is the name? Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean. Okay. Now all of you together make you unmute. All of you make you unmute. Tell me all together slowly. I will show you my fingers. You have to say the 5 oceans name. If I will show one, then tell me all together. Okay. Tell me the oceans name. There are 5 oceans. Tell me the first one. Together.
Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean.
Very good. Then
Atlantic Ocean.
very good.
Arctic Ocean.
Then number 3.
Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Yes. Southern Ocean.
Wait. So, what? So, listen. First one, you said the Pacific Ocean. Second, you said the Atlantic Ocean. Then you said the Indian Oceans. Now come to the number 4. What is the name?
Southern Ocean.
Last one.
Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean.
Okay, we can do one activity now. Already in the math, I taught you the ordinal number. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we will do one class. Now we will do one class activity. Okay, I will take from the math ordinal number. Then I will punch here the name of the oceans because you know the 5 oceans name. If I will ask you, tell me the this question for Mahmoud. First, Mahmoud will say, Mahmoud, tell me what is the position of Pacific Oceans on the earth?
First position.
Excellent. See, I punch math and social study together. Yes and no?
Yes.
Yes. Now my question for Jamie. Jamie, tell me, what is the fifth position for what you know the 5 names of the oceans? Tell me the 5th position of the oceans. Tell me the name. Which oceans in the 5th position?
Ocean.
Excellent. This is for Jamie. Mwah. Mwah. Arctic Oceans is the fifth position. Excellent. My students are too good. Now for Azra. Azra, tell me, what is the position of Atlantic Oceans? What is the position? Just tell me the position.
Second position.
Very good, Azra. Mwah. I gave you. Very good. Because I'm doing the activity now for Fuad. Yes, Fuad. Tell me. Fuad, tell me.
Teacher.
What is the name of the third position? Tell me the ocean's name. Which one in the third position? Tell me. Fast.
Indian Ocean.
Is the correct answer?
No.
No. Why? Who said no?
Yes.
Always whatever Fuad said, you said no. But Fuad said the correct answer. This is for you, Fuad. Mwah. This is for you. I gave you. Yes. Now my question for Sabkat. Yes, Sabkat. Fast. Tell me. What is the fourth position? Tell me one ocean's name, which is the fourth position. Yes. Tell me fast. No, make you unmute, baby. I cannot hear your sound. I can see only your lip sync.
Ocean.
One more time.
Southern Ocean.
Very good, Sabkat. This is for you. This is for you. Now, Rakimun joined very late. Now, Rakimun,
You not give me keys.
Rakimun, tell me. Rakimun, you joined very late. Now, for you, my last question, only 2 minutes time have. Rakimun, you tell me the 5 oceans name. Only Rakimun will say, please, okay? Don't worry. Nobody open the mouth. Only Rakimun said loudly. Okay, Rakimun, tell me the first name.
The Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean. The Indian Ocean. The Southern Ocean. The Arctic Ocean.
Arctic Oceans. Very good, Rakimun. This is for you. Okay, my good students are very good. Now, Monaid, tell me. If I will ask you, you know, Ganga. Ganga is the name of river or sea?
River.
River. Monaid, you give me the answer. Now my question for Kazi. Kazi, you like the Padma Ilish? Padma River Ilish you like? No, your mama cook very tasty. I know. Tell me, Padma is a river name or ocean name?
River.
Kazi, first.
River.
Who said the answer? I asked to, no, not Mahmood. I asked to Kazi. Kazi, my dear Kazi, tell me, Padma is the river name or ocean name?
River.
River. Very good. Now my Habibur, tell me. In that Bahrain, what you can see? Ocean, sea, or river? What you can see around your house? What you can see? So many sides you can see the source of water. What is called in Bahrain? It's the river, it's the sea, it's the ocean. This is a GK question. It is not in your book. I'm asking you because I want to, I want to know how much knowledge you have. Yes.
Yes.
See, very good. Now all of you listen to me. River, pond is the small source. Just think, you have some brother, sister. Who is the small? Give her, him. Name is the pond. Then the pond is smallish after that river. Then river, after the river, the sea. Then sea, big source of water is called the ocean. Okay. In Bangla, you know what is the meaning of oceans? Mahasamudra. What is it?
Mahasamudra.
But if you said